Hey, what's going on, guys? This is going to be part 2 of my LED install from last year. As you can see, I've done a few changes since you guys seen the bike. Took my front fenders off. Got a video for that coming up. Got a lot to show you guys that I've done on the bike. But what we're going to be working on today is we're going to be installing part 2 of them. I think we're going to get a light up under here, probably under here. So we're just going to wing it out, see how it goes. Follow me. All right, so what we decided to do is going to still install a LED light inside here. Going to get one of the 12-inch ones to go down right in here. Going to put one on the lower A-arm. And I think I'm going to put one right inside here where the radiator is. Okay, so what I've done is I took one of the smaller ones, put up on the inside here. Install another there. Gonna run the wire back behind this speaker. Got one down here on the lower A-arm. And last one's gonna be installed there. All right, guys, so what I'm doing is I'm tapping into the wires that I pre-ran year before last, I guess. And the one right over there that I can't reach, of course, that's the one of the ones that went up to the front lights underneath the front. If you guys recall the video, I had 4 lights that went across there. That didn't last too long. I'd probably say about half a summer they started dragging, so I just removed them in anticipation of getting these new ones installed. So actually, one that I'm tapping into that I'm going to stick an extension on is right here and run that back over. Let me push pause really quick and get that, and I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. All right, so I've got the wires ran just to make sure everything is correct and working before I do so. So I've got these two hooked up to a 2-way splitter. It's going to another 2-way splitter. So we've got these two hooked up to a 2-way splitter. That is hooked up to the one underneath. And I have this one underneath here hooked up. And I have that splitter going back to the original spot with an extension. So in essence, I have 2 more options to run. One is going to be inside here again, and the other may be underneath the light here. We'll go ahead and flip the switch on the lights. So we got the underneath and the one at the bottom. All right, one of the things I wanted to show you guys was how I ran this end over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a little, there we go. There's a little clip right here where this cover fits on. So I ran the wire behind that clip and down the sidewall to connect here. This is it coming from out there. That way I don't have any problems when I want to put this cover back on. It should fit right in there nice and snug. If I wasn't trying to do this one-handed, in there nice and snug without any issues. All right, so this next part, got the LED installed here inside the radiator. I'm going to take the wire and run it back up inside to connect here with the rest of the crew. And we'll get them all zipped up. See what we like. One of the best tools I've ever purchased. When you're in small places, and you can't get your hand in there, this will always do the trick. Let's try that again. This will always do the trick. So what I've done is I've taken the wire and ran it up across here and zip tied it to these 3 posts so it doesn't touch the radiator. You've got maybe about a 1/2 inch of space between that and the radiator. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Wires are tucked. I did end up needing to remove this and zip tie the wires to the pole here coming up front, down from the side coming up. Of course, everything is red, because that's how we rock. I'll give you another one at night.